Right there is a remote, and in order to take out the battery for it, notice at the bottom there's that button right there. We'll have to press and hold that button and then slide the key outwards. Just like that. Once the key is taken apart, notice there's that position right here. We'll be using the same key that we took out. The top portion of the key is what we actually need, and then slide in like that. While punching it here, just make sure the button portion of the remote is at the bottom, and then we go ahead and punch in the top portion just like that. While holding this position, we'll just rotate the key and open the key fob. Once this is opened, now we will pull out the top portion. There you would see the top portion is taken apart. We'll keep the bottom portion aside for now, and there's that part that we'll be working on. I'll be using a screwdriver like this. We'll punch in on the edge like that and then pull the module portion outwards. There it is, we got the module portion pulled out. We'll keep the module portion on top of the other side. And right there is the battery that we are supposed to pull out. We'll use the same screwdriver to pull the battery outwards. There it is. That is how we take out the battery for this remote, and this is the kind of battery needed for this kind of remote. It is a CR2032 type battery. In my case, the battery is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new battery and you want to install it back, just make sure that this plus sign right there stays at the bottom. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the battery back where we took it out from. There it is, we got the battery completely in. Now we will come back to the other portion. We make sure the module is sitting properly inside, just making sure from all over the edges, and it seems like it's completely in. Once it's completely in position, now we will grab the portion with the battery, then install it on top of the other portion. Notice there is this slider coming out. Make sure that this slider is going right there. We'll carefully punch in the top portion, keeping in mind that position for the slider. There it is, that is completely in from this side, you could see. Now we'll go ahead and press both pieces down. There it is, once completely in, we'll just double check to make sure all of the angles are completely in, and it seems like all of them are completely in. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the key inside the key fob, and right there is where the key goes. Just like that. With that, we are done with the replacement of battery for this remote. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.